The last part of Access Project 4 involves creating mailing labels, and this is actually a very useful application of databases as well. I'm going to click on the Create tab and go to Labels, and it will bring up the label wizard. Now, the tricky part here, I'm going to do it the way the book does it, but depending on what type of labels you have. Now, you can buy labels at any office supply store, Walmart, places like that, drugstores, and it will give you a code, product code, and often filtered by the manufacturer. So they want us to do Avery C2163. That'll be on the package. It'll tell you how many labels are on there and dimensions. And that's where that idea comes from. So I'm going to go to Next. They want us to use the default Arial, font size, color. You can actually change these to your liking if you want. If you actually want to play around for this, I'm going to make mine semi-bold just to do it. And on this is the trickiest part here, setting up the label the way you want it. Now I'm going to make mine like figure 4-72, where the top line is the customer name. Click below that, and I'm going to put the street. And then this line here is the tricky one. Go to city, and then you actually put a comma after city and a space, the state, space, and then postal code. And that will set up, pull the data from the table that will be set up in that configuration. Let's go to Next, and you can sort it. I think they want to sort it by postal code. Sort it whatever by you want, and then go to Next, and then we'll call this Labels for Customer, and there you go. Now again, I put the wrong field at the top. When you would print these, the peel and stick labels are great for mailings and things like that, rather than actually addressing envelopes and things of that nature. So very useful tool. As you can see, pretty easy to use. So if I close this, these will now be under labels in the customer at the bottom. Okay.